All right, what's going on, everybody? Varsity Breaks back here with another Friday night of breaking. Just one quick and easy break tonight. One break, football 2022 Panini Mosaic hobby. Um, just a little. If I sound a little off, it's because I've got a little bit of a cold. Um, Nothing crazy. What's going on, Bob? A few things. Thank you everyone for joining. I appreciate it as always. Um, if you are returning and have break in with us before, I always appreciate the continued support of Varsity Breaks. And if you're new, welcome. And I hope you enjoy the break and we can pull something nice for you. With that being said, if you are watching this via recording and do not want to watch me open all the packs, I will do a recap of all of our autos and lower numbered stuff, any SPs or anything like that at the end of the break. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. Good luck all. 2 boxes of 2022 Mosaic Hobby Football. Hope everyone had a great weekend, or week. Was looking forward to the weekend. Got some big football games coming up. Obviously, you know what I'll be doing Sunday night. See how that goes. But good luck, everybody. Pack 1. Haven't quite figured out how. Alright, so it's going to be your base cards on the top, veteran base cards. It's usually how they do it. Then we'll get into our numbered or our paralleled stuff. Rookies: Wandale Robinson, Giants, David Ojabo. Ravens: we got silver Mosaic. I tend to sleeve all these cards just because. Marquise Brown, Cardinals. Red rookie, Kyra Elam. Don't believe these ones are numbered. No. Just a red parallel. And an insert of Aaron Donald and Donald Driver. What is this? Overdrive. Mosaic. All right. Holmes. Rashad White and Desmond Ritter. Rookie. Terry McLaren. Silver Mosaic. Commanders. And a Kyle Pitts Silver for the Falcons. Let's see. Men of Mastery. Mahomes. Blue Chip Rookie. Silver of Sam Howell. Commanders. And Beef Eater's Choice. All right. We've had a few inserts so far. Sure, that's not what you're looking for, but there's a Mahomes base Super Bowl MVP card. Cade Otton, Bucks, and Sky Moore. All right, we do have Chris Oladokin, rookie silver, Mosaic Silver for the Steelers. Josh Allen, red. And Stair Masters. 2 of them. Mahomes, there you go. And Dalvin Cook. So 2 Mahomes inserts so far. No parallels. Yes, I'm recording this, and I will upload it to YouTube so you can watch it again. Calvin Austin, Steelers. Cade York, Browns. Devontae Adams. Marshawn Lattimore, silver. And 2 inserts. We got a montage and a silver of Richard Dent. The Bears. Alright. Haven't hit anything notable yet. This will be on the second half of the card, or second half of the box. Matt Corral, rookie. Panthers. Samori Toure, rookie. And Traylon Burks, rookie. Our first auto is a Tyler Beatty auto. Red autograph for the Ravens. And Bear Claw Collect. I may have written that down wrong. Don't believe the Reds are numbered. No. There you go. All right, Pierre Strong, rookie at Mosaic. Patriots. Cam Hayward, that's just a red. Steelers. And Jonathan Taylor, and an introductions of Breece Hall, rookie. Jets. All right. I'll do what I can, man. I'll see if we can pull as many Mahomes as possible. Here we go. One more. Quay Walker for the Packers. Alec Pierce, Colts, rookie. Alan Lazard, Mosaic silver. Traylon Burks, silver rookie. Nice. Go for the Titans. Titans B Lemonhead. McCaffrey montage and a In It to Win It, Doug Williams. Mosaic silver. Commanders. All right. John Elway. So Jameson Williams. Oops, wrong stack. Jameson Williams, rookie. Andrew Booth, rookie. And a Kayvon Thibodeau, rookie. Derwin James, silver Mosaic. And a Kyle Juszczyk, red. Men of Mastery, Jerry Rice, and a silver montage of Najee Harris, Steelers. Oh, buddy. All right. Give us something here. I think our next auto is here. Brady. Malik Willis. Base rookie. Titans. Jeremy Ruckert. And a Tony Romo auto. There you go. The Cowboys. And CH10. 7163. Tony Romo action. Devin Lloyd, rookie silver Mosaic, and a silver rookie of Romeo Dobbs. Packers. It's got some damage up here. Let's see if I can get that on the right above the G. Can't tell if it's a dent. Oh yeah, you can feel it. That sucks. Sorry about that, Livy put right above the G there. I'll still top load it for you. Stair Masters, Debo Samuel, and a Blue Chips Matt Corral rookie. Two more packs for box one. Oh, Christian Watson rookie. Oh, that's why I got confused. I threw a base in between the rookies this time. Kyler Gordon rookie and a Romeo Doubs rookie. Najee Harris. We finally got a numbered card. It is a rookie of Lewis Seen for the Vikings. Should be out of 99. Yep, 40. Oh, man. There. Montage and a silver overdrive of Thurman Thomas. What's going on with my camera here? No, it's 40 of 99. Not quite sure what's going on. I have to check into that after the break. There you go. Alright, last pack of box one. Cameron Thomas rookie. Treston Ebner rookie. Amon-Ra St. Brown. Silver Mosaic. Kyler Murray silver. Cardinals. Mahomes Montage and a Stairmasters silver mosaic of Brett Favre. Alright, that is box one, everybody. Give me 1 sec. Alright. I didn't think I would get through those slips so quickly. Alright. Box two. Yeah, there's plenty of Packers in that box. Alright. Box two. Let's pull something nice and nasty. Alright, well, let's see if that's the case. Another Cameron Thomas rookie. I think that was the last rookie we got. And Treston Ebner. Yep, great. Aaron Donald for the Rams, silver mosaic. And a Josh Allen, red, for the Bills. Mark Jackson and a Malik Willis, silver blue chips. Titans. All right. First auto is going to be in this pack. There's a Dallas Goedert. Eagles. Jameson Williams. Kurt Warner. Jahan Dotson, Commanders. Trent McDuffie. And, oh, nice. Kenny Pickett out of 49. Wow. There we go. Purple auto. Congrats to the Steelers. And James Y, 693. Congrats, man. That's a nice one. Not only was it Pickett, but it was a numbered Pickett. Yeah, let's see if I can get the 12 out of 49. I do not know what's going on with my camera. Oh, we got it in there. All right. Check out the software or something. Very nice. A nice Garrett Wilson silver mosaic. The Jets. Cam Jordan silver. Saints. Montage of Mac Jones and a Trayvon Walker blue chips rookie. All right. I just want to pull a Brock Purdy rookie. Andrew Booth, Kayvon Thibodeau, Joe Burrow blue to 99 for the Bengals. $46 of 99. This is really annoying. I don't know. Like sometimes it takes a second to go, but not this bad. Bengals, 1998 Blue Cobra. Oh, I see. National Pride. That's what the gotcha with the flag in there. Rashad White, rookie silver. The Bucks. Randy Moss and a silver of Jerry Rice Overdrive. All right. Willis rookie. Jeremy Ruckert. And, oh my gosh, auto came real quick. Another Steelers auto is Chris Oladokun. I think that will do it for our autos. So we got lucky somehow and get an extra one. Another Steelers auto for James Y, 693. Alright, Drake London, silver mosaic. Kenny Galladay, red. Justin and Traylon Burks. Okay. Blue chips. And now they're starting to mix them up here. Matt Corral, rookie. Panthers. There's that Pride. Kyler Gordon. Romeo Dobbs. Jonathan Grenard. Texans. Silver mosaic. And a Jonathan Grenard. Silver. For the Texans. Tom Brady montage. And an Earl Campbell mosaic. Overdrive. Mosaic silver. Alright. There's a Pickens rookie for the Steelers. Samari Toure for the Packers. And Traylon Burks for the Titans. It's the same rookies over and over again. Drew Lock mosaic. Joe Montana silver. Niners. Introductions Garrett Wilson rookie. And a silver montage of Josh Allen for the Bills. Alright. 4 packs left, everybody. The Mahomes Pride card. Another Mahomes Super Bowl. Quay Walker. Alec Pierce, we're getting the same rookies as we got in the first box. Hines Ward. Steelers. Stephon Diggs, red. Bills. Justin Jefferson montage and a Justin Jefferson silver mosaic montage. Looks like a white. It is. Hey, 5 out of 25 for the Vikings and Soda Sports 98. Congrats. I was like, that looks a little different. That's cool. That's it. All right. Christian Watson. David Bell, that's a new one. Boy Mafe, that's a new one. Tyler Beatty, it's our first autograph. We got a gold here. Oh, I don't know. I know. Shouldn't be putting that. Antonio Gates for the Chargers. That is a gold, 4 out of 10. Very nice. I wonder if it's something I changed with my lighting or something. This is not even close. Huh. So weird. All right, 4 out of 10 for the Chargers and Aunt Della 3387. Congrats. There's a couple of nice short printed hits in this one with the Kenny. This has been a nice box. Taylor and Bradshaw silver. Yeah, I'll try that next time. I'll get it in this pack. Derek Stingley, Kenny Pickett, base rookie, Steelers, Dawson Knox, a Desmond Ridder for the Falcons, silver. It's definitely some pinpoint things on there, whatever they're called. Kenny Pickett, just regular introductions, and a Chris Olave introductions, silver. All right. Yeah, it's something going on with my camera. For sure. I don't know what, though. I'll have to figure it out. It's really odd. All right. Saints. All right, last pack. Here we go. Trayvon Walker rookie, Isaiah Spiller, and Evan Neal. Quinn Williams, silver mosaic. James Cook, red mosaic, rookie for the Bills. Montage of Matt Stafford, and silver of Richard Dent, silver mosaic. And that is going to do it for the break, everybody. Thanks again for joining. I appreciate it. I'll do a quick recap here in just a sec of our autos and lower numbered stuff. Shouldn't take me too long. All right. Let's move this stuff over. Thank you, Bob. I appreciate it. All right, everybody. All right, here we go. We're going to start with some silvers. A couple of blue chips, Sam Howell and Malik Willis. That's some silver mosaic rookies of Pierre Strong and Garrett Wilson. Base silver rookies, Desmond Ridder, Romeo Dobbs, Traylon Burks. Numbered cards to 99 blue, Joe Burrow, and rookie of Lewis Seen. Had a white to 25 montage of Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. Gold out of 10 of Antonio Gates for the Chargers. So some nice color in just a couple boxes. And then autographs. We had a Tony Romo, we call it vet auto, but more like retired auto now. 2 red autos for the Steelers, Chris Olandokun. And for the Ravens, Tyler Beatty. And our big hit of the break was a Kenny Pickett purple auto to 49 for the Steelers. So congrats to the Steelers on that one. And that's it for the break, everybody. Thanks again for joining. I appreciate it. Until next time.